Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Ethereum on the Coinbase app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to buy the Ethereum, tap onto the search bar and type Ethereum just like this and search for it. And here you can find the pairs of the Ethereum. Now tap onto one to buy just like this. Then here you can find the option of buy at the bottom. Now simply tap on it. Then add the additional informations about the Ethereum, and after adding it you can simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Ethereum on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.